When your well pump stops performing the way it should, turn to the professionals at Consolidated Pumps and Services for the sales and service of everything from well pumps, pressure tanks, to cisterns and water lines. Well pumps, like other mechanical devices, are subjected to wear and tear on a regular basis. After several years, it is quite common for both well pumps and pressure tanks to develop repair issues. Some signs your well pump or pressure tank may need servicing include no water, lack of water pressure, your pump constantly running, dirty water, or banging pipes. Consolidated Pumps and Services also offers flow and well tests, bacteriological testing, and more. If you are experiencing low water pressure or poor water quality, call us today for a free estimate at 303-688-9211.